Hi guys. So today I'm going to speak with you about another interesting topic, which is fat first in the morning. If you have any sort of hormonal imbalances like PCOS in women or hypothyroidism or even diabetes for that matter, having fat first in the morning is really important. Now what does this having fat first in the morning mean? It means you have ghee or some sort of fat in the morning, and don't start your day with either some carb like a tea with sugar in the morning, or something like a protein snack, but have fat as the first thing in the morning. So it could be ghee, it could be probably the butter coffee which you would love to have, or it could be simply having a coconut oil along with water in the morning. Now when you have fat first in the morning, this is exactly what happens to your body. There is a hormone which is known as insulin, which you all must be aware of, and this insulin comes into a picture when there is very high amount of sugar that you consume in the diet. So the work of insulin is to take the sugar back into the different organs and to keep the blood sugar low as far as possible, up to a threshold level. Now when you have too much of sugar or carbohydrate rich food first thing in the morning, what happens is there's a spike of insulin and then it keeps on continuing throughout the day. But this is exactly what happens when you have fat first in the morning. There is no spike of insulin because when you have fat, insulin does not come to play in the picture at all. As a result of that, there is no spike in insulin, your insulin balance is maintained, and you will also see that there is a better hormonal balance, as well as there is also weight loss happening because of this process. So start fat first in the morning, have a teaspoon of ghee either with warm water, or have your butter coffee, or add coconut water, or add coconut oil, drink it, that is a virgin coconut oil, and then you could have water over it. I hope you like this tip. Please start fat first in the morning.